I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials and then take the first corrective action. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active. If signal is weak, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to refresh connections. Next, open settings and verify you're signed into the correct Apple ID and that iMessage is enabled. Once done, restart the iPhone to clear transient network glitches. These steps work because iMessage requires both a valid Apple ID and an active network path to route messages. Now you move into the more detailed execution so messages actually route. Reset network settings to clear corrupted APN and Wi-Fi profiles. This doesn't erase personal data, but resets saved networks. Delete the problematic message thread and compose a fresh iMessage. Try sending to the recipient's phone number rather than their email address to test routing. Also verify settings messages send as SMS is on so texts fall back when iMessage fails, and confirm your carrier has no outage. Finish by applying final verifications that often resolve stuck iMessage states. Update to the latest iOS because fixes and authentication changes arrive in updates. Then sign out and back into Apple ID and toggle iMessage off and on to force reactivation. Test sending from another Apple device or ask the recipient to confirm their iMessage and network status. If problems persist, collect error details and contact Apple support or your carrier. Quick troubleshooting tip. If delivery bubbles show green, the message used SMS. Confirm both devices are set to iMessage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.